Good morning students, Joyadash here. Today we will do few sums from 6.3 again. Yesterday we have done question number 1. Now we will do question number 2 where you have to find out the value of x and y. Two unknown angles you will get here where you have to find out the value of these two unknown angles. See the diagram. 50 degree x, y and 120 degree. You know this is exterior angle. So it is given 120 value of the exterior angle is given here. By using this exterior angle property, we can easily find out the value of x because 50 plus x is equal to 120 degree. It is exterior angle property. So we have started from here. X plus 50 is equal to 120 degree. And we have to write this theorem here, exterior angle property. X is equal to 120 minus 50, transposing 50 from left to right, minus 50, the result of x is 70 degree. Now we have find out x, 50 we know, now we have to find out y. So many ways are there to find out. We can find out y by straight angle property also. But as we are doing properties of triangle, so we are using properties of triangle only. Now x plus 50 plus y is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of a triangle. X plus 50 plus y is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of a triangle. If I write only angle sum property, then it will be incomplete. I have seen yesterday some students are writing where angle sum property only. Angle sum property of a triangle, you have to complete the sentence. Now 70, value of x is 70. Instead of x, I have written the value of x. 50 plus y is equal to 180. Add this to 120 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree to find the value of y. 180 minus 120, it is 60 degree. So x and y, value of x and y I have got, and I have written it separately. Value of x I have got 70 degree, value of y 60 degree. This is our complete answer. Understood? Now go to the next question. In this question, see the diagram. Here it is given 80 degree, it is y, 50 and x, two unknown angles, where we can find out y easily because we know vertically opposite angles are always equal. These two are straight line intersecting one point, so opposite angles are known as vertically opposite angles, and these angles are equal. So you will directly write y is equal to 80 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Now y plus 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angle sum property of a triangle. So x plus y plus 50 is equal to 180 degree, and I have to write the property also. X plus y, value of y we know. Instead of y, now I have to write the value of y, and 50 is equal to 180 degree. X, add this to 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 130, it is 50 degree. So value of y is 80 degree and value of x is 50 degree. Write it separately, y 80 degree, x 50 degree, and this is your answer. Come to the next sum. Next, see the diagram. 90 degree, y, x, x. That means this value of these two angles will be equal. That is why the same variables are given here. Easily you can find out y is equal to 90 degree because vertically opposite angle. Yes, y is equal to 90 degree vertically opposite angles. Now y plus x, angle sum property of a triangle. Y plus x is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of a triangle. Now x plus x become 2x and y is equal to 180 degree. You know the value of y, which is 90 degree. Instead of y, I will write 90 here. 2x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. 2x is equal to 90 degree, subtracting it 90 degree, x is equal to 90 by 2, 45 degree. Cancel it, you will get 45 degree. So the value of x is equal to 45 degree. Now value of x 45 degree, value of y 90 degree. Write the value answers separately. Next diagram, question number 6. Check the diagram properly. Here it is written all the outsider angles are given x, and here it is given y. The position of these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So I can write y is equal to x because the value of y is equal to x. Understood? Because vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle y is equal to x, and I have written it vertically opposite angles. Now here I have given 1 and here I have written 2. 1 and 2, why I have given this? So that I can show you that this value is vertically opposite angle of x. Angle 1 is vertically opposite angle of x. So value of 1 will be x. Similarly value of 2 will be x because it is also vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 I have written 1 is equal to x, vertically opposite angles. And angle 2 is equal to x, it is also vertically opposite angle. See, this is slightly different type of diagram. So students, you will concentrate here to understand the diagram. Y is equal to x. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. I have given one extra 1 here and 2 here because I can, so that I can write one value of 1 is also x and value of 2 is also x. That is because of vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 is equal to x, vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 is also x because vertically opposite angle. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle y, angle sum property of a triangle. I can write 1 plus 2 plus y. This is not the numerical value of 1 and 2. This is only the variable, like I have used it as a variable. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle y. These are the three angles of the triangle, and sum of these angles equal to 180 degree. Reason angle sum property of a triangle. Instead of 1 I can write x, instead of 2 also I can write x, and y also I can write x equal to 180 degree. Now the sum become easy. X plus x, that is 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 3. Cancel it, you will get 60 degree. So value of x is equal to 60 degree. If value of x is equal to 60 degree, so value of y also 60 degree. So value of y is equal to 60 degree. It is also 60 degree. I hope students you all understood this. Watch the video 2 times, 3 times. If it is for this sum, you can watch it 2-3 times. And after, if if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the class group. Thank you, students.